Meaning of factory shop.
Factory shop.
Factory shop.
Factory shop.
Factory shop. A factory shop typically refers to a retail store that sells goods produced in the same facility or factory where they are made. These stores offer access to factory overstock, discontinued items, and slightly imperfect or damaged goods at discounted prices. The concept of a factory shop is popular among consumers looking for high-quality products at affordable prices. It provides an opportunity for both manufacturers and consumers to benefit from a direct selling model, reducing costs for both parties and increasing efficiency in the supply chain.